In this tutorial, we will see how to use Jupyter Notebook in QGIS. In QGIS, we can easily use Python using plugins menu and then Python console. Then click Show Editor. Here we can write our Python codes. But using this script editor, we cannot run the codes step by step and show the results. For that, we need a Jupyter Notebook-like environment. Let's see how to use that. Go to plugins and then manage and install plugins. And then search for notebook and install this notebook plugin. The plugin installed successfully. Let's close this dialog. Now you will see one menu called Notebook. Click on this menu and click Notebook panel. It will open in the right side. You can also move it. Now here you can see one plus code and markdown. You can add code cells and markdown cells as well. Let's add a code cell and print something. Click on this run button and you can see our code is successfully run. By default, the notebook plugin is using dark theme. If you want to use light theme, you can go to notebook menu and then settings and then go to appearance. Here you can change the color scheme. Let's use light color scheme, and you can change some other settings as well. Let's save settings. You can go to execution and change the execution timeout and some other options. Here are some pre-import modules. You can select this to automatically pre-import some QGIS modules and also some Python modules like OS and sys. If you want to use NumPy pandas, you can click this, or you can import usually in the code. And in the general section, you can select autosave option, autosave interval and other settings. Now let's close this and close the Jupyter Notebook. Let's open again Notebook panel. Still it is in dark mode. Maybe we need to restart QGIS. Let's close this, restart QGIS. Let's open the notebook again. Click on the notebook menu and notebook panel. Now you can see that our notebook is in a light theme now. Let's click on this code. Now let's load a raster layer using Python. Since QGIS modules are automatically imported by the plugin, we do not use any import. Just make a raster path and a raster layer name, and using QGIS raster layer we add the raster to our map. Let's run the code and see. We can see that the code is immediately executed. This way you can use Jupyter Notebook in QGIS. If you want to remove one cell, just right click and delete cell. You can also add some markdown cells. You can also change the font size and other settings in the settings page. There are some default snippets. You can easily click and use those functions. Let's add XYZ tiles layer, that is OpenStreetMap. Click on this. It creates a code cell with the necessary code. Let's run this, and it added the OpenStreetMap. If you have any output in this cell, then you can clear the output like Let's add a code cell and print something. Now we have an output. If we want to remove this output, right click, clear output. And if you want to remove all the output of all cells, you can click clear outputs. You can run all cells at once, and also if you have any Jupyter Notebook, you can open it from here. After completion of your code, you can save it and also make a new notebook. Thanks for watching.